Hello everyone, I am Isra Jahan, front-end developer, ST Innovation. So yesterday we learned how to responsive our website in GHL, and today we are going to show how to create a form because form is an very important element in our website. We usually use this form lots of time. We use contact form, we use credit now whenever we are paying something, payment form, and lots of other things. So now today we are going to show how to use this form in GHL. Actually, GHL makes it very much easier because it has this obviously that drag and drop system. So let's start. As you can see, there is this contact form we have used previously. So now we are going to show how to make it from scratch. Okay, let's start. So for building a form, you have to go to the sites and then form builder. Okay, then create new form. As you can see, there are a lot of fields they have already given you, which we are regularly use in every form: the full name, first name, last name, and other things, address, city, country, even though the image, captcha, and all. So we can use from this drag and drop. By drag and drop, it's pretty easy and simple. So okay, in this way you can just make it very easily. It's very simple. So let me um yeah, okay. So this is the simple form you can make from here. So now go to how to customize these things, how to customize your form name, how to customize a field also. So let's do this. So from here you can customize your form name. Okay, so just quickly made a test form name. The fun thing is, if you are not putting here a submit button, you don't need to drag and drop the button here. Without putting this button here, you can also have a default button. Like, so we are learning about the button. If you are forgetting to add the button here, GHL will provide you a by default button, which will definitely will be the submit button. So we will show this live when we will apply this form in our page. Okay, let's see about something, customization fields. Okay, here you can see a lot of customization field we have created. So now I am going to show you how to add or how to customize your fields. So click here and see, you can see here a lot of buttons, lot of fields here, like single line, multi-line, text box, and drop down, multi drop down, single drop down, and multi drop down also, and a checkbox, date picker, and a signature, whatever you want. GHL provides you everything in here. You can customize them also. Like if I just take a drop down, single drop down, say I name it event, general info, Facebook event, then I can put his webinar. Let's save it. So you can see event is here, and just drag and drop, you are all set. So in this way you can make your customization field, or you can use your their fields. And also you can okay, so let's explore this. if you are submitting your form, then what will the form will do? You can from open URL, you can put any URL here, any page URL, in internal or external page link here, or you can put a message here, like just thank you message you want to show there. So this is the thing. And you can also do some styling, CSS styling here, like inline forms. Whenever you turn on the inline forms, what will it do? It just split into two section, right? So you can change also the background, the font color, whatever you want. Also you can custom the CSS also. So that's how you can just create a simple form. And just let me quickly show you how to you integrate this form to your pages. Okay, so just okay, so here I am creating a section, then a column, and of course GoHighLevel provides you the form. So just click there and select your form. So we have just created the form, which is uh, the demo form mostly. Yes. Okay. So our form was, so let's select from here our form. Okay, just cancel it. Take a form, and here you can see all of your forms, and make sure from which sub account you are creating the form. You must have to have this sub account when you are using this. If you are using from one sub account for the form, and another account you are using for the website, it will not work. So let's do add this. And yes, here is our form, which is made by us. So yeah, then just give it a preview. Yes, you can see there is all the informations here, and you can just submit it. Here is the drop down basically, which we are created by custom. And here is the captcha, and to submit, and of course it will need a phone number. See, there is a thank you message which we are created earlier. So that's it about how to use this. But one thing I must mention, actually I should mention about its limitation also. What is the form's limitation? So in the website, you can customize anything, you can customize any code or any component, but you can't customize a form, because whenever you are using a form, you must have link it with workflow. So actually, what is workflow? To know this, you have to tune you have to know the workflow. You have to stay tuned to us. So that's it about actually the form. So you have to create form here also, here only, so that you can just linked it up with any kind of thing, any kind of payment gateway, or any kind of workflow or anything else. So that is the limitation. And the other limitation is basically the fields. You can't edit the field once you have created it. See, here is our customized field, so we can't edit them, right? So this is the limitation which it have. So yeah, That's it about the form. So if you have any question, you can comment it below, and if you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.